Hello, Namaste everyone. Welcome to in this online class organized by South Point English Boarding School. Me Kushlal Mahto on the subject of social studies. Class 10 on the topics of province Nepal. Previously we have completed the federalism and the various of the divisions of provinces, in which the last province number 7 is going to be studied now. Let's see province number 7, whatever we call Sudur Pachim province. Sudur Pachim province, actually the province is mainly lies in Sudur Pachima Anchal. You know very well Sudur Pachima Anchal is the western development regions of Nepal. Okay, so students, let's introduce what the area, what the populations, with the chief ministers, provincial ministers, how many local bodies seems to be, what are the natural resources, how many mountains and letters, what are the religious sites. Those seems to be studied. So my dear students, let's introduce the area of province number 7 seems to be 13.27%. Letters population. The populations of province number 7 seems to be 9.63 or 9.6 out of 100%, as well as the number of districts. How many the number of the districts seems to be? The number of the districts seems to be 9. Let's see 9 districts, and we can reveal the 9 districts, number of the 9 districts with the formula. Babe, Bado, Dog, Darsula, Goyo, Babe. Yeah, students, here seems to be Babe, Bado, Dog, Darsula, Goyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yeah, the 9 names of the districts can be revealed with this formula. Babai, Badang, Bai should be Baitadi, seems to be Atham, and this case it seems to be it. I have mentioned it, but actually for formula, for way of remembering, I have made Arko, but means Assam, and Kar not Kai seems to be Kailali. Okay, and Ba seems to be Baitadi, Badang, and this seems to be Bagnum. Letters Do seems to be Dolkha, Da seems to be Dare Duran, Ka seems to be Kanchanpur, and later Darsula itself is named. So this is the formulas which 9 number of the districts can be revealed. Okay, so let's see how many the local bodies seems to be. So local labels bodies seems to be 88, including municipalities, metropolitans, sub-metropolitans, and village municipalities. Okay, so let us what is the headquarters, or where is the headquarters of province number 2? The headquarters seems to be at Godavari. Letters we the provincial chief or provincial chief ministers. We the provincial chief ministers. Sarmila Kumari Pant is the provincial chief ministers who had been appointed on 18th Kartik 2076. Letters the chief minister of province number 7 seems to be Tilochan Bhatta. Trilochan Bhatta. Letters the forest. What type of forest is found in province number 7? I mean to tell that province number 7 is covered of Himalayan hilly tarai like province number 1. So the character, the forest seems to be same the forest found in province number 1. So my dear students, let's see subtropical evergreen forest. Subtropical evergreen forest is found in Tarai region, whereas deciduous forest in hill region, and alpine forest in mountain region. Okay, later we can say that what are the mountains which lies in province number 7. Api mountain, Api Himal and Saipal. Api and Saipal are the mountains which lies in province number 7. Okay, later we can reveal that what are the religious sites which helps in the attractions of the tourists, as well as produce the tourism industries. Those seems to be Badi Malika, later Saileshwari, Ugratara means these are the religious sites. Later if we interest towards the ongoing project which are still running on, reveals though the ongoing projects seems to be Tanakpur barrage and Pancheshwar project, as well as we know very well the national project which is running in province number 7 seems to be West Seti National Project. So these are the projects which is running in province number 7. If we interest toward the major centers of province number 7, the major center seems to be Silgadi, Dhangadi, Bhimdatnagar. So these are the major centers which some others major centers too are located in province number 7. Later we can say the occupations of the peoples occupied of province number 7. The peoples are mainly involved in trade, industry, commerce, service, and it also reveals that the peoples of province number 7 are highly employed in the foreign land, or the peoples of province number 7 are depends upon the employment which they gain, which they receive in India. Okay, so some of the ethnics and ethnics, ethnic and caste tribes are seems to be Brahmin. Later we can reveal that Thakuri, Kshetri, Tharu, Dalit, and later others too, which are the inhabitants peoples of province number 7. Okay, students, now as we completed each of the provinces of our country, later I am going to make one of the table in which you can consume the various informations in that table. So let's interest toward the table having with the formula. The formula seems to be 3Q, 4Q, 5, 3, 1. Okay, so let's see. 3q means here 3. 3 into 3 into 3 will come 27. 4 into 4 into 4 seems to be 64. And other let's keep it in same the number. Okay, so my dear friends, now as we come toward the gist, let's see, the gist seems to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Nepal is divided into 7 provinces according to the recent constitutions 2072. So let's see province number 2. So how many districts seems to be in each of the provinces can be made by this the formula. You may keep it as a phone number too. यसलाई phone number ले आधारमा पनि रोट्न सक्छौ. 27 64 5 3 1. Okay, letters number of the districts can be revealed in such a way: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so my dear friends, now by these ones we can be clear with the concept. Province number 2 seems to be 8 districts. Province number 7 seems to be 9 districts. Province number 6 is covered up 10 districts, whereas in province number 4 seems to be 11 districts. 5, 12, 3, 13, and 1, 14. Recently we have studied province number 7. And in this province number 7, we have been got 9 districts. So my dear friends, 9 districts are just out tuned with the 9 districts. Babai, अर्को डग टास्कला गयो. How I have made it the formula by saying the formula. Other districts too can be collected, means 77 districts can be collected by these the formulas what I have made you earlier clear. So province number 1 seems to be so Dhaipate ko MBS DT Sunsarima. Letters province number 2, according to the province number 2, the district seems to be in Basi Paro Disama Saptarima. So letters province number 3, 13 districts can be revealed with the formula. 13 districts can be revealed with the formulas having the राधो सीधा सिक्का लव का बारे में मलाई. So these are some of the formulas in which you can remember 77 districts of our country. Okay, now let us, my dear friends, let's enter. These are number of the districts. Okay, of course in each of the province. Now the headquarters. Let's see the headquarters. What are those the headquarters? What are those the headquarters? Okay, the headquarters of each of the province. Let's see. Province number 2. The headquarters of province number 2 seems to be Janakpur. Okay, and letters. Province number 7. Godavari. Okay, province number 6 seems to be province. So by the formula, 3Q, 4Q, 5Q, 1, the number of the districts can be revealed here. Province number 2, province number 7, 6, 4, 5, 3, 1. You may, keep it in your minds, with the number of the phone numbers. Okay, and number of the districts. Province number 2, 8, 7, 9. So same one in increasing. So highest number of the districts lies in province number 1. Okay, province number 1. And the less number of the districts seems to be province number 2. Province number 2. Okay, and I have mentioned here, the percentage 20.4, 9.6. It reveals that it is the, people's populations of province number 2. So the highest populations, out of 7 provinces seems to be province number 3, and low population seems to be province number 6. Okay, so headquarters seems to be Janakpur of province number 2, 7 Godavari, 6 Virendra 4 Pokhara, 5 Bhutpur, 3 Hetauda, 1 Viratnagar. And let's see how many local bodies lie in each of the provinces and the sequence of this formula: 136, 88, 79, 88. It's 85. 109, 119, 137. So the highest local body seems to be in province number 1, and less local body seems to be province number 6. Okay, so now each of the chief minister seems to be here with the quoted of the letters M. Mohammad Lal Baburao, T. Trilochar Bhatta, M. Mahendra Prasad Sai, D. Prithvi Subha Gurung, S. Shankar Pokhrel, D. Dormani Podel. Letters S. H. means Sherman Rai. Same on provincial chief, T. S. G. O. A. D. O. B. I. Yaso. So T comes with Tilak Pariyar. Letters yes seems to be Saimila, Govinda, A. Ami, Do seems to be province number 7, Iran. Okay, Do letters I will make it clear. B means Vishnu, A. Somnath Adhikari. Okay, and the area 6.5, 13%, 19%, 14.6%, 5%, 13.7%, and 17.6% is said that the smallest area seems to be in province number 2, whereas the highest area lies of province number 6. Okay, so letters we have been completed this. D. Dharmanath Yadav, thank you.